Hi everybody, if you're new, welcome. I'm the Investing Teacher, a high school science teacher that also teaches others how to control their paycheck through trading. I've been successfully doing these strategies for over 7 years now, and I'm the founder of ThetaTraders.com, an online platform that provides one-on-one and group coaching sessions and option selling alerts. I have provided previous one-on-one sessions from other clients in the past in this channel. If you find the end of this video helpful, consider joining a 7-day free trial membership at ThetaTraders.com. Link is in the description down below. Let's get started. We're going to look at the 0DTE trade for March 29th, 2023. It was a winning trade of 3%. Let it go the whole day and you'll see the reasons why, see the strike prices, and why we went with really far out of the money. So at our Discord and ThetaTraders.com, earlier before market, futures were up pretty big, 0.7%. So it's likely a put credit spread. We did make the entry, and then a minute or two later, did say probably looking to let this expire worthless. It's fine to take 0.3 also because we got 0.35 on the trade. So looking at the recommendation for today, SPX is at 4,013. We sold a put credit spread only because the futures were up so much. And we sold it at 39.55. That's the option we sold. We bought the 39.45 put, and I was able to take in $35 per contract, $1,000 in buying power. It takes about $5 in commissions. So you're looking at about $30 out of 1,000, so a 3% return. We did put a stop order in case it goes against us at 1.1, and it never really went against us today. The VIX has been decreasing a bit. We're at 19.35. So it can be a little bit more difficult to get a ton of premiums here. This is why you want to be able to understand the direction and where the market's heading in order to make the proper strike prices. And the delta was at 0.06 at the time, so a very good chance of it actually working out. Look at the trade for today. Market opened strongly up. And then in the arrow here at 8:55 Central Standard Time, we made the alert down here. So there's a very big cushion for it to drop that low. Look at the previous day's prices. We were hovering a little bit above it as well. So we would need a pretty big downturn to get down to the previous day's low in order to get to these strike prices. And then it was a pretty stable day in the end. We did have a little bit of moves up and down, but in general, the market was up quite a bit, and we ended up 1.4% up for the day. However, in this strategy, we made 3%. So even though it was a really good day on SPX, you could actually make more money selling options at really safe strike prices. So some of the key points for today: when the market's up so much, don't necessarily want to go iron condors, which I see a lot of other traders do. You want to go with the trend. So if the market is up and indications are showing it's going to probably stay increasing, don't try to get challenged on the call side just to eke out a little bit more premium. It's perfectly fine getting 3% in one day. Usually I buy to close these a little bit earlier, possibly at 0.1 or so. That'll get us a 2% return for the day. But the trend was so far out of the money, and it just kept going up throughout the day, that we just let it expire worthless. Save a little bit in commissions too as well. So if you're interested in daily trade alerts like this, one-on-one help from me, and also get longer dated put credit spreads and cash secured puts and futures, look at the 7-day free trial at ThetaTraders.com. Thank you very much, and have a great trading day.